Hello, I'm CG Yan. This is our quick video to show how to group layers in Photoshop. This is the Photoshop layer file we created before. We have add image layer, text layer, color layer, and transparent background layer in the last tutorial. If you want to see how to make it, we can find the tutorial in this channel. Now, if you want to group the layers, we can have many options. The first option, we can go to Layer and New. We can find Group here. Click to add the new group here, and we can press OK to add the group folder. Now I click and drag to put it into artboard, and then we can put image layer into the group, or we can make a multiple selection to put layers into the group. So we can change the order. Now if you want to cancel it, we can use right click on the group folder, and we can find ungroup layers here. Or we can use shortcut Shift-Ctrl-G to ungroup it. I click it, so we ungroup the layers. This is the first option. The second option, we can use the icon, create a new group here. Now we can click to add a new group, and do the same thing. We can put the layers into the group. And also we can cancel it. We can ungroup the layers here. This is the second option. The third option, we can make a multiple selection of the layers and then click the icon directly to group them together. Alternative, we can click and drag the layers into the icon so we can group them together. So this is how we can group layers in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yan. See you in the next video.